Welcome to 30 Days to Build an AI. Every day we'll spend just around 10 minutes building step by step, and best of all, it's completely free. If you're excited to build along with me, let's train YouTube together. Like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a single day. Day 3, installing Portainer. Let's have a look at what we will get done today. We are going to learn 3 more Linux commands. Have some fun by installing and running cmatrix. And finally, take the next step on our AI journey by installing and launching Portainer. Let's open up our Ubuntu server. Start typing in Ubuntu in the search bar and click on it when it appears in the menu. We are now going to run our update. We can use the top arrow keys to scroll through previous commands until we find our sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y command from yesterday. This is a useful feature on Linux and saves us rewriting commands. Once you have found the command, press enter. Enter your password, press enter again, and let your Ubuntu machine update. Let's use our clear command from yesterday before we try out our new commands for today. Ctrl+ increases the size of our font. So here are our 3 Linux commands for today. Free-h. This command shows your system's memory. Great for checking if you have enough RAM before running an AI model. df-h. This shows disk space. You'll want free space to store AI models. Uptime. This tells us how long the system's been running and the current load. Now for a bit of fun, let's install cmatrix. Sudo apt update and sudo apt install cmatrix-y, then press return. Now you remember the fun we had with the sl command yesterday. Yes, that's it, our steam locomotive going across the page. Well, today we have gone all futuristic. Type in cmatrix and hit enter. Portainer is like a control room for your Docker containers. You open it in your browser and boom, you can see all your apps running, click buttons to start or stop stuff, and check logs if something breaks. No need to memorize terminal commands. It's like the dashboard of a spaceship, but for your local AI tools. Let me just show you around my Portainer that I use for Nova My AI. Here's the dashboard. It's like your mission control. It gives you a quick overview of everything running. Stacks are like mini projects. They bundle containers, settings, and rules into one neat setup. As for images, these are your app blueprints. You download them once, then use them to launch containers whenever you want. Networks let your containers talk to each other like a group chat for your apps. Whilst volumes are storage for your containers, like a USB stick that remembers stuff even if the container restarts. Most important of all, we have the containers. Containers are the actual apps or services running. Think of them like little engines doing specific jobs. That's enough about my Portainer setup. Let's get on and build yours. Let's just use a couple of Docker commands. Docker ps shows us what containers are running. Docker ps-a shows us all the containers in the stack. First, we need to make a directory to keep all our AI files in. Type mkdir, my AI. Then we want to change into that directory. Type cd, my AI. Now we are going to create our Docker Compose YAML file. A YAML file is like a recipe for your computer. It tells Docker what to cook up. You list what apps containers you want, what ports they use, and where to save stuff. It's super chill to read. No weird brackets, just indents and plain text. Type nano docker-compose.yaml. In Nano R editor, type version 3.8. Services, Portainer, image, Portainer, Portainer CE. Container _ name, Portainer, ports, 9000 to 9000. Volumes, pervar, run/docker.sock:/var/run/docker.sock, Portainer _ data. Data, restart, always. Volumes, Portainer _ press, Ctrl-O to save, and Ctrl-X to exit. Type Docker Compose up -d. Your Portainer container is being pulled and installed. Now when you do your Docker ps command, you will see your Portainer container is in there. Now we are going to view your Portainer in your web browser. Open your web browser, and in the address bar type HTTP localhost 9000, and you should see your Portainer's login page. Add a password for your admin account. Confirm your password. Well done! You have successfully installed Portainer. Now click on Get Started. You can now navigate around your own Portainer. Try to find your containers list, network, and volumes. And just a side note, why I like DuckDuckGo as a browser. There are no ads, everything is private, and they don't sell your data. And best of all, when I have finished with a web page, I can do this. Let's just bring up our notepad and check we have achieved everything we set out to do today. Learn 3 more Linux commands. Check. Install and run cmatrix. Check. Install and launch Portainer. Check. So, what have we got planned for tomorrow day for? Well, it'd be a big one. We will be installing our first AI model. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.